Kenny D, back from vacation, and I just did a water test on my my hydroponic system, aquaponic system, and I'm finding out that I'm low on nitrogen. My potassium looks very good. I got a surplus of potassium. I have a adequate amount of well, this is good. This is phosphorus. I have an adequate amount of potassium, and I have a deficiency in nitrogen. So I was wondering, what am I going to do, because I have this biofilter that's supposed to be converting ammonia into nitrogen, and I'm low on nitrogen. So I decided that what I'm going to do to increase my nitrogen levels is to add more fish, create more ammonia. So I checked my ammonia levels with this test solution, and turns out to be 0. So I have no ammonia. I mean, the filter's working great because the ammonia levels are 0. I have the nitrates in my system, 0. All telling me that my biofilter is working great. It's cleared the ammonia out, and it's converted that ammonia to nitrates, and then into nitrates, which is nitrogen. However, I don't have enough because my plants now are just sucking up that nitrogen. All that green are just sucking up the nitrogen, and so I got to provide more nitrogen to them. So I decided I'm going to add more fish. As my plants grow, my fish count number should grow. So I'm adding more fish, and more, which will equal more fish poop, which will equal more ammonia, which will be converted to nitrites and then into nitrates, and then more nitrogen available nitrogen for the plants. That's my theory. The reason why I decided to do this now is because when I came home from my vacation, I looked at my plants, and if you can look there, see that some of my leaves are really yellowing. So I want to get that green back in them, and so I'm thinking that the way to do that is by adding more nitrogen to the system. So this is good organic nitrogen, and we're going to keep an eye on this and see how it goes. Okay, so this is Kenny D saying goodbye for now, and we'll let you know how the system works out. Oh, but first, let me show you my new fish. This is Kenny D signing off.